Hello. So this one is the Google app. I searched the design I want the flowers. So I save here on the save at the bottom. This one, this one. Uh, I want it to be on my design on my project of this underwear like this. So this is a tracing paper. Okay. So this is a tracing paper. You just get a little on the small. Put at the top of the phone and then you draw. You copy the drawing that you want. You can see it because this is a tracing paper, transparent. See. Okay, and then cut it. Tracing paper is very expensive in the Philippines, so I think it. I just get cut the portion that I need. So that's the first step, right? So my laptop, because I have only one phone, I cannot show to you very well if I will not do on the laptop. So I put the tracing paper with my drawing there that I copied from my phone. So the next step, the next video is I will show you how to stitch the. I will just do very simple the line only, not the full inside the drawing, because this is only underwear. I'll just show you how to do it on the next video, okay? And I need to put at the back the stabilizer, the hard lining here, so that the stitching will not move, will not wrinkle. Okay, thanks for watching.